Now, what have you been doing today, Lucy? Did you read any books?
Yes.
What was the book about?
Silly face.
Silly Faces. And what about any television shows today?
Yes.
What did you watch?
I forget.
Is it what time is that on? Did you watch any Play School?
Yes.
What happened on Play School?
They were all getting wet from the rain and the fog when Darwin jumped in his rain.
Rain and fog, was there? Was it only pretend rain and fog, was it?
Yeah.
Was that only on Play School?
Yeah.
And did they read a story about on Play School?
No, they just read about going to a new house.
A new house. They're going to a new house. Okay. All right. Okay. And did you have anything to eat today?
Yeah.
What did you eat today?
It was egg and a hot crust.
Yeah.
A hot crust bun toast.
Hot cross bun toast. And who made that for you?
Nan.
Nan did. Very good. All right. Well, that's good. Well, say bye bye.